Classification, function, classification, definition of amino acids. What do you mean by amino acids? So, welcome for function, definition, classification of amino acids. Amino acid, their definition, classification, and properties. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. Amino acids are nitrogenous compounds having both an acid carboxylic group, that is COOH, and basic amino group, that is NH2 group. R stands for side chains that are different for each amino group. The general structure of amino acid is present in figure. The right side group is amino group and left side group is amino group and right side group is acidic carboxylic group. Both amino acid contains both group, that is acidic carboxylic group and basic amino group. R is a side chain which represents general structure for amino acids. Then, as a definition, amino acids are organic compounds containing both carboxylic COH group and amino NH2 group. All amino acids found in nature in proteins have basic structures like are represented in figure. Then, the human body needs high levels of protein and peptides to function, and for the body to able to build these proteins and peptides naturally, it requires amino acids. Then, what is the classification of amino acids? Briefly, we are going to deal with the classification of amino acid. There are 20 standard amino acids found in protein structure are divided into 7 distinct groups. That is aliphatic amino acids, then hydroxyl group containing amino acids, then aliphatic amino acids. These have benzene ring in side chain, example phenylalanine and tyrosine. Then hydroxyl group containing amino acids. These contain hydroxyl groups in the side chain, example serine and threonine. Then sulfur containing amino acid. These possesses a sulfur atom in the side chain, example cysteine and methionine. This is the most likely to be asked in the exam. What are the sulfur containing amino acid? That is methionine and cysteine. Then acidic amino acid and their amides. These have carboxyl in the side chain, example cysteine and glutamic acid. Then basic amino acid. These possesses an amino group in the side chain, example lysine and arginine. Then aromatic amino acids. These are derivative of amino acid, acidic amino acid, in which one of the carbon group has been transferred into an amide group. Then non-protein amino acid, that is amino acid which never found as a constituent of proteins, but either they play metabolic roles or occur as a natural product. Example L-ornithine, L-citrulline, etc. Then these 20 groups of amino acids, out of which 10 are essential amino acid and 10 are non-essential amino acid. There is a list of 10 essential amino acid and 10 non-essential amino acid which are a building block of proteins, all proteins. First, let me see the essential amino acid first. Number 1, arginine. Then number 2, 309 arginine, then histidine, then isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, 319, tryptophan, and valine. Then another 10 non-essential amino acids includes alanine, asparagine, aspartate, cysteine, glutamate, glutamine, lysine, proline, serine, and tyrosine. So these 20 amino acids are grouped into essential amino acid and non-essential amino acids, which are building blocks of all proteins, because all amino acids are linked together to form proteins with peptide bonds. Then what are the different functions of amino acid? There are 20 different amino acids which combines to create impressive array of chemical versatility of proteins. These amino acids can be essential as seen previously, non-essential and conditional. They are considered essential when required to be taken in diet, whereas non-essential when they can be made by the body. Conditional amino acids are mostly required during certain circumstances such as stress and illness. Amino acids are source of energy like protein. They can provide about 4 calories per gram. It is a tremendous source of energy. In the human body, certain amino acids can be converted to the another amino acids, proteins, glucose, fatty acids, or ketones. Chemical messenger, neurotransmitters in the nervous system, aspartate, glutamate, and glycine. Tyrosine is a precursor of dopamine, epinephrine, and non-epinephrine, and thyroxine. Tryptophan is a precursor of melatonin and serotonin and nicotinic acid, vitamin B3. Histidine is a precursor of histamine. Glycine is a precursor of heme, a part of hemoglobin. Then aspartate, glutamate, and glycine are a precursor of nucleic acid, which are parts of DNA. These are in brief various functions of amino acid. With this, our topic for amino acid, their classification and function is over. Thank you very much. Thank you all, one and all.